Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Vipex active and noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones. They include Bluetooth, obviously. US Vipex. Okay. Come in a nice carrying case. Look at this. Hard, protective. Throw it in your backpack. Anything like that. Zipper. Awesome padded top of your head. So yeah, these are the headphones. Let's see what else is included. Mm, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and micro USB to USB. So these can be used wired if you run out of battery, which is awesome. Well, obviously you can charge them. So it's awesome. And yeah, a little booklet. So yeah, these are the Vipex wireless headphones.